Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Mech education. So today in this tutorial we'll talk about modeling of disc brake. So this is our final disc brake, and for the dimension of disc brake you can go through the machine design book or you can refer any published journal papers. Okay, so according to your dimension you can model or you can design your disc brake. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Creo or ProE. Okay, then just go to new and click here, give name, and you just uncheck this one, and we need to select the dimension. So now click OK. There should not be a space. So now OK, and select mm. Now the user interface will be like this. So first thing is you have to select extrude. So there are two procedures. You can draw, you can model your disc brake. First command is extrude command and second command is revolve. So by utilizing both command you can draw your disc brake. So in this video we'll talk about extrude command only. So go to extrude, next placement, define, then select any plane. I'm selecting top plane. Now click on a sketch. Then first we need to create a circle. So from the midpoint create a circle. So the dimension will be 240. So now click OK, and it will show how it is going to extrude. So now we have to enter the extrude distance, means thickness of the disc plate. So now here we need to enter 10 mm. So now click OK. So this is your first plate. So now second step, again click on extrude, placement, define, then select a surface, then a sketch. Then again second circle you need to draw from the center. Give the dimension 161 mm and click done. And then we need to remove the material at 1 mm. Okay, so you need to flip this diagram. So this is the option, you can click here to flip your orientation, or either you can also click on this arrow to flip the orientation. So now I'm clicking this one and giving a distance 1 mm, and then you need to select this option to remove the material. So now click OK. So now this option is already done. So now so next step is, again you need to click on extrude, placement, define, then select this opposite surface, click on a sketch. Again draw a circle from the center. Now the dimension is 132 mm. Click OK. Now flip the orientation and click on remove material, then click OK. Then you can see one hole has been generated. So the next step, again extrude, placement, define, and select the surface, sketch. Now draw another circle from the center and give a dimension of 152. You just you have to double click on this dimension, then you can edit this one, 152, and then go to another command. This is called use command. So just click on this one and select internal diameter both. Okay, then click on done. Then you can see how it's going to extrude, means only that portion will be extruded. Okay, so now give the dimension and click on done. Again go to extrude, placement, define, and select surface, sketch, and now you have to use this feature, use, and select outer diameter, click on close, then done. So we need to close the above hole. Okay, so here you just check this is the previous feature only, 3 mm you need to enter here, and now click on done. Again next step, extrude, placement, define, and select this surface, click on a sketch. Now again draw a circle from the center and give diameter 65 mm. So click done and flip the orientation and select remove material and click on OK. So you can see hole has been generated. So next step, again placement, define, and select this surface, a sketch, and now draw a circle of 161 mm from the center. So now 161 mm, enter, and go to the next feature is use feature. Okay, and select outer diameter, now close, click on OK. Now you can see how it is going to extrude. So here we need to enter 10 mm and click on OK. So now you can see the total extrusion. So again extrude, placement, define, and select the above surface, click on a sketch and take references. So go to in a sketch and take references. So internal diameter we need to select so that we can make an hole easily. So now make a hole here and give diameter 12 mm and give the distance from the center 47 mm. So after that click on done. You can see this feature. Now flip this feature and click on remove material and OK. So the hole is generated. Now we need to make a pattern. So select this extrude number 8 and click on pattern. Then here we need to select axis and select the axis to rotate. So this axis, A1 axis, we have to select X axis, and total number of pattern, how many total number of patterns is required. So I'm giving here 5 number of patterns, means 5 number of holes we required. So angle between them should be 72 degree and click on done. So now you can see here. So the next feature I have to use round Okay, so click on round and select this edge. Okay, so we'll make a 3 mm a smooth surface here, okay, on these edges. So enter 3 and click OK. So the edges will be smooth. Okay, so the next is again go to extrude and placement and define and select back surface. Okay, and here we need to take again references. So take 2 references, so this circle and this outer circle, so that we can make some cutouts. So here one irregular shape, a spline, you have to take a spline and draw a spline. Okay, like this. And after that we need to make 3 holes. Okay, so 3 holes means 3 circle of equal diameter we need to draw here. So draw 3 circles of equal diameter on this spline, and after making circles we need to trim the spline, then only we can extrude it. Okay, because this spline is only for drawing the circle at some exact locations. So this is our 3 circles, and I have already deleted the segment. So now click on remove material and click on done. Then you can see 3 holes has been generated. So after that one we need to again make a pattern of this dimension. So again go to pattern and select axis. This x-axis we need to select, and the number of pattern we need to enter 20. So I'm entering 20, and the angle will be 18 degree between them. So now click on done. So you can see all the cutouts has been generated. So this is for ventilation. It will work like a ventilation. It will remove the whatever the heat will be generated after working condition. So these holes will be helpful to remove the heat, whatever the heat will be generated. So now again we need to make some cutouts. So again same procedure we need to follow. So select this surface, this plane we need to select, right plane, and again take 2 references. One reference is this one, and next one is this right. Then close, and now we need to draw a rectangle. Okay, so I'm zooming it. So make a rectangle like this. Okay, so after that we need to enter the dimension. So this one is 12 and this one 15 I'm entering, and this distance 15. Okay, now this one will be 6 because equally divided. So now click on done, and you can see how it is going to extrude. So we need to remove the material, means one more cutouts we need to create. So now here enter 25 and remove material, select and click on done. Then you can see one cutout has been generated. This is called ventilation only. So again pattern is required. So select pattern, and first select this extrude, then pattern, then same procedure we have to select the axis. So here change dimension to axis and select the axis. This axis we need to select. Then number of pattern, so I am entering 20, and the angle will be 18 degree. Now click on OK. So you can see here all the ventilation or cutouts has been generated. So if is there any edit is there, if you want to edit the definition, then In this way you can edit. So just right click and edit definition, then again edit. Now you can change the dimension also. So here I'm entering 20, and this one I'm changing, this one I'm changing 10. So this distance will be 5. So now click on OK, and now done. So this dimension will be changed accordingly. So this is very easy and very helpful. So this is the excellent feature in ProE. So now here I'm making some round also. This sharp edges also you can round. So if it is required, means you can select the round and select all the edges simultaneously at a time, and give the diameter of round. So 2 mm, 3 mm, whatever you want. So I'm entering here dimension 3 mm and click on done. So you can see it has been rounded. So like this we can make our model. So guys, this is our final disc brake. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if any queries, then post your questions in comment box, or also you can post your questions on Telegram. Links are in description box. Thank you for watching.